If you want to build strong legs, then it's really important to include the step-up pattern in your training. This is an excellent supplementary exercise to use on your lower body strength days because it strengthens the knee stabilizers and hip stabilizers, unilateral strength, but we also like to use it in HIIT circuits because it's so good at elevating the heart rate.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
We love the alternating step up in our circuits for our lower body strength movements because it adds volume to the muscles that we've already been training, works the stabilizers, works unilateral strength. But what I love about it most is that it's a really good exercise to include in a HIIT circuit as well because it gets that heart rate up. And if you want to make it even harder, it's so easy to just add some dumbbells or some kettlebells. Just make sure you're getting the technique right. Watch the video to the end so that you understand the 3 coaching cues that we teach, and let's nail this alternating step up.
Alternating step-ups. We use this exercise to build lower body strength and prepare for plyometric progressions in later phases of the UMS. Make sure the step is not so high that you lose the quality movement. The 3 cues to think of when performing the exercise are: keep your hips level, change which foot steps each rep, control the movement.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very, very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.